by Niagara Falls, talking to my little boy about the history of us all. Tell me, Daddy, all about the time when you and Mom were young. Well, back at home, I'm still trying to recall. I start to roll and I wind up in the hallway. Spread across the walls is the evidence of how we've come so far. In all these pictures of us, a suit and a wedding gown,